Recording.
So now we're here with Neo. It's a family affair. How old are you, Neo? 5. So it's his first adjustment too. He did really good in his exam. And now, well, I already scoped him, but we'll do this for video purposes. He was having a subluxation reading T5 area, and then actually around T12. He's got a big one there.
Mm-hmm. That was a big one.
He has a lot of tension on his left neck. Actually, big time. They both did, actually. Left side. You must wrestle each other on that side.
And we also had to do that for soccer.
Yeah?
Yeah, we have to push people.
In soccer, you have to push
Over to
people.
the table, Neo.
Over here, Mr. Neo. We're going to step up on here. It's a little wobbly. The table's got a screw loose.
Not the only thing.
Just screw fell out.
I knew that was coming.
Like most of the people on it.
That's right.
Screws loose. Alright, Superman, we're gonna fly up over here. And then we're gonna put your arms down here. So, Mr. Neo, you're going to feel me lean into you and squash you down a little bit, okay? Your job is to just lay there like a piece of cooked spaghetti, all flimsy. You might hear a popping noise like popcorn, but you're gonna feel me lean and then push. Good job. You go a little lower and down here too. Good job, buddy. And check your knees too. What kind of, do you do any sports, Neo?
No. He only did one soccer practice.
One soccer practice?
And then he was done with it.
But that doesn't mean he's not a stuntman.
So doing karate.
He's clearly a stuntman.
He is a stuntman.
He's a stuntman. Well, you're like Mr. Stuntman with Dad, right? They do all kinds of,
Yeah.
because I know Ryan, and he's a,
Yeah.
he's a thrill seeker.
Sure. He'll be in on Friday.
He's an acrobat.
Yeah.
We call it a speeder board. It doesn't look that exciting, but it works really good at fixing knees and stuff. Good job, Neo. Turn over on your back. Flip over. Do a pancake and flip. Which is your belly button alignment.
Wow. That's crazy.
Wow.
Are you giggling? I see you giggling.
Is that cool?
Are you trying to hold your ears?
Are those piggies ticklish, Neo?
Yes.
No.
Good job, Mr. Neo. Here, let me make you about an inch taller. Hold on. We're going to go to this table next. And you don't have to tell him what to do. He just kind of knew.
That's what happens when you go second. You're a professional.
All right, Mr. Neo, I won't drop you on the floor. I'm going to stretch you out and lean on you, okay? Squish you down a little bit. Oh my goodness.
That was a good one.
That was like...
You could hear all his audibles very clearly.
Like popcorn?
Yeah.
Let me go back to this chair, Mr. Neo.
That felt good, right?
I just kind of angle it, however.
Sure, why not?
Yeah.
We're
These are
not- we're not
impromptu
pro-
videos.
We're not professional.
There's no
We're not
editing
professional
here.
recorders here.
just getting the information out there.
We're just
Yeah.
we're just
I
happy
just feel bad
we're just
hers
happy
broke
people
up.
are volunteering to.
Yeah,
Anytime.
it's good to get the little ones on so
Yeah.
people see what a big deal it is, and how easy it is, and how fantastic it is for the immune system.
Yeah, bring your head to the right, Neo. You're gonna feel me
feels
push
good,
this
too.
way.
I
Awesome.
know.
Good job.
Good, buddy.
That was amazing.
That was great. I'm excited about that.
I didn't feel like
Did you like that? Yes, good.
Think about all the healing the body's doing with just that second.
And this is like this is his first adjustment. You know, right? He's never.
Nope.
I think did I see him when he was
When
like
he was an
born?
infant.
He was an
Yeah.
infant, one time or so. But this is his like real first big boy.
Yeah.
mine too.
Adjustment. And yours too, yeah, exactly. But look how good they did. Like most people wonder, how's my kid gonna handle this? Like, you know, they think we like rack them around and throw them around like rag dolls. Sometimes we do, if you know.
Yeah, we don't put those on video.
We don't put those in video.
They've seen me come through here too, so they know it's
Yeah.
Just smile straight.
I happen to
There
agree
it
that
is.
if they watch the parent
Yeah.
Good job,
a few
buddy.
times,
You did awesome.
they're good.
You're 5.
Well, somebody say.
All right, kids. Thank you.
Thank you. You did
Bye.
awesome.
Say
Great
bye.
job.
It's Mom's turn.
You're superstars.
Thank